If your crypto wallet's looking rough, don't stress, you just landed on the right guide. I'm about to show you the exact steps I use to keep the money flowing in consistently. Pay close attention, because if you repeat this game plan enough times, your wallet could start looking a lot like mine. MemeCoins success is the hype right now, but making it work more than once can feel nearly impossible. I was in that exact spot until I found one game-changing tactic that flipped everything on its head. After grinding through trial and error, it finally clicked, so stay with me because I'm handing you the full blueprint, and trust me, you'll be glad you stuck around. Let's be real, pump. Fun is overflowing with MemeCoin launches right now. It's so crowded that most coins crash within minutes of going live. I used to make solid profits there, honestly, but those days are gone. These days, it's just a race to dump junk tokens on the next unlucky buyer. Let's stop wasting time. You need a platform where your coin actually stands a chance. That's why we're moving to Radium, a place where your project can break through and build real momentum. Switching to Radium changed everything for me. It's the first place where my coins actually had room to grow. Tokens on Radium are backed by real liquidity, which means they can go the distance. Here's the secret. It's all about those overlooked, underused pools. That's where your coin has space to catch fire and shine. I've seen tokens skyrocket 100 times overnight, way more often than you'd expect. But here's the thing. You can't just wing it. You need the right tools to make it work. That's where I got lucky, because I found bitlix.sol. It made launching my token ridiculously simple. I've tried all sorts of platforms, but this one just gets it right. No coding, no stress. You can launch directly on Radium without writing a single line of code. Even if you're not a dev, your coin will still look clean and professional. If Radium is your move, this is how you make it happen. Our first step will be the logo creation. We need to dig through for a meme or an animal pic that cracks you up. I went with the Empire is Pretty Chill moment from Star Wars Detours, massively old but still gold. Find the image in your browser, copy the URL of it, and then we need to hop back on bitlixol.com. Second step will be the coin creation. Now that your logo is good to go, let's actually set up your token. Head over to bit.ly.xsol.com and connect your wallet. I'm naming mine The Empire is Pretty Chill and tagging it with the symbol YO Dudes. You can write a short description if you feel like it, but that's completely optional. Paste the URL for your logo and click Next when you're ready. Now, let's talk about supply. This part's straightforward. The settings you see, even if they're just the defaults, have proven to be super reliable. We're going with 1 billion tokens. No math drama, no second guessing. Click Next and let's keep this train moving. Heads up, this next part is crucial. If you tweak these settings the wrong way, it could mess up your entire launch. Revoke Freeze keeps you from locking someone's wallet. Revoke Mint stops you from printing more coins later. Revoke Update locks in your token info for good. Keeping all three turned on shows you're playing fair and helps build trust with others. The easiest move? Don't change anything. Just click Launch My Token Now. After that, your Phantom wallet will pop up, and there might be a warning. Basically, it's just because the website is new and the domain isn't yet verified by Solana developers. But don't worry, just press I understand and proceed anyway. There will be a few transactions, and that's normal. It includes the Solana network fee and a small fee for the developer of the site. Once approved, your token will be minted and sent straight to the blockchain. Congrats! Now hit the last button on the screen. It'll bring up your token on SolScan. You're looking for that minted status. If it's not there yet, don't panic. Just reload the page until it appears. Once it's visible, you've officially nailed step 2. Stick around. This is when things get really interesting. Time to power up your token with a liquidity pool. Click the Create Liquidity Pool button inside bitlix.sol and it'll take you straight to Radium's site. First of all, we connect our wallet. Now let's dive in. Scroll down until you see Base Token. Paste your coin address. You can grab it from bitlix.sol or SolScan, whichever is handy. I'm entering the symbol YODUDES, and the name, the Empire, is pretty chill, same as before. After that, hit Add User Token and select your coin from this list. Now we'll use only 900 million of those 1 billion minted tokens. You'll pair them with Solana, which acts as the quote token here. Stick within the 0.8 to 2 SOL range. It usually works well. And definitely keep at least 0.2 SOL still in your wallet to cover the transaction fees. I'm going with a 2% trading fee, but feel free to tweak it. 0.5% works fine, if it suits your strategy better. Whatever rate you choose, just be sure it lines up with your overall plan. Leave the other setting on Start Now. It should already be selected. Then click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the transaction in Phantom and boom, your pool is officially live. Don't call it a day yet. Go to Photon, enable the Radium filter, and you'll find your token listed and tradable. Remember, since this feed is always buzzing with people looking for fresh launches, your coin could get noticed and ramp up quickly. Now let's get into the real-time charts action. Copy your token's address, go to Deck Screener and drop it into any active chart to replace what's there. Some bots might do small buys, but ignore those. You're watching for a strong upward move. When that happens, it's your cue to either buy, sell, or even pull liquidity if that is your plan. Wondering where your liquidity is sitting? Go to Radium's portfolio page and switch to the Standard tab. Your position should pop up soon, sometimes instantly, sometimes after a few minutes. Blockchain can be slow like that. Keep this tab in mind for when you're ready to cash out later. Now getting back into the charts, 15 minutes have passed, and I got a $77 purchase. That's 0.46 Solana. Liquidity has improved, and that line is not looking bad. I'll come back in some minutes. All right, 21 minutes in total now, and I got a purchase worth $99. That would be 0.55 Solana. About the liquidity, that's looking better, and that graph line is maintaining its strength. Let's wait some more and come back. This time, I waited a little longer, 28 minutes, and I got a pretty good purchase worth $161 or 0.96 Solana. When it comes to liquidity and that graph line, you would find that they look pretty solid. So now let's lock in those gains. Connect your wallet by clicking the icon if you haven't already. Next, head to the standard view, locate your pool and press the minus symbol to go where you pull out your funds. Now's the moment to pull your liquidity. Slide the bar to the max at 100% and you'll see the exact amount of Solana you'll get back. Click Remove Liquidity, confirm the transaction in your wallet, and your funds will be in your pocket instantly. So there you have it, everything you need to start this method yourself. Stay consistent, make wise choices, and you could see your wallet get a serious boost. Just keep in mind, this kind of opportunity won't last forever. It's been solid for me recently, but crypto's always changing. Don't miss your chance. This could be the game changer. Look below in the description for all the tools I recommended. They're waiting for you. Best of luck making those big moves.